Hello everyone, welcome to another solutions video. This is the solution for question 9, who's in the middle, on basic worksheet 1. And once again, this is from Canadian Computing Competition in 2007. This was the J1 question. Basically, there are 3 inputs because Goldilocks has shuffled the bowls of the 3 bears. And what we're trying to do is figure out the middlemost weight, as in not the smallest weighted bowl, not the heaviest bowl, but the middle bowl. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to take 3 inputs and then get the middlemost value. We're going to take input. We're going to go bowl 1 is equal to integer input. Take an input there of the weight. Bowl 2, integer input. And bowl 3, integer input. All right, in our processing part, what we want to do, like before, take the total sum, take away the min and the max of those values. So we're going to say the middle is going to be, we're going to get the sum of them all. So bowl 1 plus bowl 2 plus bowl 3. And we're going to take away the max of bowl 1, bowl 2, and bowl 3. And we're also going to subtract the minimum, bowl 1, bowl 2, bowl 3. All right. If I have the total sum and if I take away the smallest and biggest, I should be left with the middlemost value. So we're going to output print middle. Now, if you see here, this is a very basic bare bones setup and a solution. In contests in programming competitions, they really don't worry about what your input should be and what your output should be. Rather, they tell you what it should look like and you have to follow their rules. Most of the time, inside the input statements, you're not writing any prompts. You're not giving any arguments inside the inputs because what they're doing is doing a simple output check of your program. So if I ran this code, but let's say 5, 1, 2, notice we're only getting the inputs as our outputs on our interpreter and the output of the result of our program, because the automatic grader will just look at this, use these values, and test what you got from your program. Therefore, they're doing a matching check to see if you did this correctly or not, so that they can massively test a lot of people and massively correct a lot of people as well. So what I want to show you is how a competition would work and why we might want to do it. So, thank you for watching. Great class.